So now we should know what MRP is. Okay. MRP andre. Okay. So you should know what MRP is. So MRP is nothing but it is a material requirement planning. Okay. So that means whenever the procurement of the material required on a frequent basis, whenever material required on a regular basis, we use what? MRP. How we use MRP? Okay, we have three different ways to use MRP. MRP is used in the ಯಾವ್ದ್ಯಾವ್ದು? Which are those? Okay, so first is safety stock. I'll tell you what exactly the safety stock is. Safety stock. Second, we have planned independent stock requirement. Okay, next we have forecast based planning. Okay, so we'll see first what is safety stock. Okay, so first we'll learn what exactly the safety stock is. So suppose if the company requires, so if the company requires the material for the regular production, in that case we need to maintain safety stock. Okay, in the okay, so this is very important. So, okay, so whenever the company requires the material for the regular production, in that we require to maintain safety stock. Consider, say, if the company so if see if stock stock is maintained of 500 quantity. Okay, so see, in the stock we are maintaining 500 as the safety quantity. Okay, safety stock. Suppose while procurement or while using the material, if it reaches 499, if it reaches 499 stock, 499 quantity, then if you maintain safety stock, the automatically PR and PO will generate and procurement will done. This is very important. Suppose if you have maintained a safety stock of 500, so it will see automatically the PR will trigger. Okay, and it will send to and it will create PO also. Okay, we have to create. So once the PR will fetch automatically. Okay, so how you will come to know that safety stock has been reached. Okay, so it has comes down to the safety stock means, so we have some T codes. Okay, in that we have to view, and we need to maintain the safety, we need to monitor the safety stock. How to do that, I will show you. Okay, so in that first step is we need to create material. So first step is create material and maintain MRP1 and MRP2 in the views. Okay, so this is the first step. So we'll do it. So first we'll open. So slash n. So here, how is it? Okay, different. We'll open our document. We'll open our document. Batch for, yeah. Yeah. Now we will do with this. Okay. So first what we'll do, we'll create the material first. So here I will maintain MRP. Okay. So here we will create one material. So we use this. Okay. Anybody tell your username, Raghu? What is your password? What else will do? We have here. Password is incorrect. It has to come. Okay. So now we have, we will create first material. Observe carefully. Okay. So here we'll go with this. So we'll use this only. Apex raw material we'll use. Enter. See, observe here. We just see MRP1 and MRP2. Okay. And click on this. So here you have to give APP1 and APS1. Okay. I'm using different this one. So here we use Apex MRP material. So then go to this each and APMG is our material group. Enter, enter. So here purchasing views. Then we are into this MRP1. So MRP1 data, whatever we will enter, that will be given by the PP consultant. Okay. So this is also a MM sorry. So this is also a MMPP integration. Okay. So this is also called as MMPP integration. So now we'll move to this. See, here we have some of the fields that is required to enter. Here we have MRP type. So this data will be given by the PP consultant. Okay. Here, so MRP type you need to maintain. Here we have PD MRP. Okay. So don't bother about this, what exactly it is PD and all. Okay, that is not required for you. Okay. Then here we have MRP controller. Okay. So click on this. If you find out, see here, you have here. But whenever you use, see, observe carefully, whenever you use, you won't get this. Okay. In that case, what you have to do, so I will show you. So better you do one thing. You just use whatever the data I am giving. Okay. Material, see this Apex company code only you use it. Use the same data because this need to configure. This will in real time. This will be given by the PP consultant. Okay. So there is certain procedure that you need to create MRP controller also. This will be generated by the PP. But while you are practicing, give the same plant. Okay, whatever I have used in this video. Okay. So double click on this. So select this MRP controller. Okay. Then here lot size is there. Okay. So lot size, fixed lot size, how much quantity to generate PR, fixed. Okay. So here you can maintain any one. So here you can maintain a fixed order quantity, or else EX you can lot for lot order quantity. That means you can give manually. Okay. So what I will do, I will give fixed. If you give that one means you can give manually. Minimum lot size, if you want to order in each PR, if you want to generate a PR of 500 quantity, you can give this one minimum lot size, but as of now, not required. Okay. Lot size, sorry. So do fixed lot size we need to give. So what we'll do, we'll give EX. Okay. Okay. Then enter. Say EX only you give. MRP2. In MRP2, you need to give procurement type. See, if you click here, it will show external procurement or internal procurement. Okay. So here it should be external procurement. Okay. It is not both. Okay. If you want to give both, you can give both also. Next, here, this is very important, safety stock. How much you want to maintain the safety stock? I want to maintain 100 safety stock. Okay. Enter. So here scheduled margin key, don't bother about this. We have some standards. Just give this standard. Okay. Here you just give 000, this one. Okay. So this is the standard you give, enter. Okay. So don't bother about this, enter. Then here enter, enter. See here violation classes. What's our violation class? I have not defined. So which is this, finished or raw material? What we have created. Okay, give anyone. See. Okay, standard price I will give 100. Enter. Enter. Save. So we have created a material. Okay. Copy this. The field allergy is defined as required. It doesn't contain any. Okay. Availability check in MRP3. Who has selected? So I have not selected MRP3. I have selected.
No, sir.
So here finish it, not material. Okay, enter. MRP1, MRP2. That's it. No? Okay, so actually that has been selected. APP1, APS1, enter. Now we'll give once again Apex raw material. Okay. Then here each APMG, enter, enter. In purchasing group, you have to give AXG, enter. MRP type is PD. Okay. So see, use this data only, plant, company code and all. Okay. So lot size is EX. Then MRP controller is MRP only. See, if you click on this, APP, see this one MRP controller, enter. So here we need to enter what? Plan delivered 10 days. Safety stock will maintain. Okay. I will maintain 100. Procurement type. So see, automatically it has taken F. Okay. Procurement type. So then here schedule margin case is 000 is the standard. Okay. So then enter, 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 and here you can give 3000. See, if you click on this, then now you will get 3000. See, okay. Then so standard price I will give 10 rupee. Enter, enter, and save it. See, the material we have created. Copy. Here you can maintain. Material. Okay. Now observe here. So we have done with the material. Okay. So we have created, in this we need to maintain the data what we have created. So next, so once you have created the material with MRP parameters, you need to view the request. Okay. View the request. View the request. Okay. The T code is MD0. Sorry. MD04 is the T code. So I will tell you what exactly this. Okay. So before that, we will check where is that? Yeah. Okay. We'll go to slash and MMB. No stock is there, no? See, enter, execute. So there is no stock. See, now, so the T code is MD04 to view the request. See, there is no stock. Okay, safety stock we have maintained 100 quantity, right? So that means we need to check. So this is also called as to check, to view the request or to check the request. View or check. So check. How to check? So go to this slash OMD04, enter. If you go to this here, so observe carefully, the material already it has been fetched. The plant you need to go APP1, enter. See here. Now observe carefully. 1 minute.
Sir, voice is not audible, sir.
So now you are getting. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. See here it is showing -100. Here also it is showing -100. See here requirement is -100. to fulfill the safety stock. Safety stock it is showing 0. See here availability stock is -0. All of you are getting na? Okay. So here we have to run the request. So once you have checked that we have not maintained any safety stock, what you need to do? We have to run the request for the T code is MD02. Okay. So you need to go to T code MD02. So go to this. So observe carefully here. See -100 is there. If I run the request, observe /n MD02. If you go to /n MD02, give the material and all. Don't change anything here. Press enter. See, once you press enter, see, please check the input parameters. It is asking. No need. What is the material? Same, huh? Yeah, same. Then press enter. See, because that is warning. See here, you got on message, right? Purchase requisition. See, automatically purchase requisition it has created. See here, one purchase requisition of quantity 100 only, because here we have in MD04 we have -100. Okay, so now we have run the request. Again go to /n MD04. Okay, go to /n MD04, enter. Okay, enter. See here now. See, PR already it has been generated. See, this is PR number. See, this is PR number. See, now it is showing. See, 100 quantity is there. See, 0 requirement. Got it. Now you just observe here. Here we have a document details. Go to this. If you go to this, it is showing here. So purchase requisition number, quantity, the PR, whatever we have generated. Vendor it is not showing, right? No worries. So if you want to get the vendor in this MRP, you need to maintain PR. That also I will show you. Click on this purchase order here. From here you can generate PO. Sorry. See here. So you just enter the purchase requisition number. So APPO, sorry, APPO, then APEX, apex, enter. Okay, so here vendor and all, you need to enter the details. Okay, it will generate automatically. Okay, so all of you got it now. So how the PR will generate automatically? Any doubts? So if you just go back, just click on now. See, like this. But if you want to get, see, now if you go to, see, already we have run, right? So 100 quantity PR has been generated. If you go to /n MD02, now you just check it, enter, enter. See, no procurement proposal. Observe carefully here. What I will do now, /n, see, observe carefully, /n MD, sorry, /n MM02 I will go. Okay. I will change the safety stock now. See, go to MRP1 and MRP2. So I will change only this two. Okay, plant APP1. Observe carefully now. So here, where I maintain safety stock. Yeah, if you maintain 120 safety stock, enter and save. Now if you go to /n MD04 to view the request, see now it will show. See here, 20 is less. So if you want to maintain the safety stock, whenever the stock comes to 119, it will trigger like this. Okay. What you have to do? You need to run the request. Okay. How to run the request? We have a T code /n MD02. Enter. So press enter. Enter. Sorry. Here purchase requisition has been generated. Okay. Again go back to MD04. Enter. Enter. So now you just check. Automatically 120 it has been generated. Okay. Got it. So this is how you can do this safety stock. Okay.
Sir, available quantity ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋದ ಸರ್ ಅದು
This available quantity. So that means you need to get this much of stock. So 0. So that means you don't want to procure, you don't want to generate any PR because already it has been maintained 120. That is the meaning of that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing. So if you click here, see here vendor is not coming, right? So what you can do, you need to maintain PIR/n MD. Sorry, not MD, ME11. Okay. So here just give this and give the vendor number. I will give 901 only. Okay. Purchase organization APPO, enter. Okay. Here you can give Apex MRP PIR to enter. So here I will give, so maximum quantity it is telling, net price I will give 10. Okay, and save it. Now you just check. I will go to /n MD04, enter. If you go to this, now you are not getting, right? Why? Because this PR without PIR we have generated, right? For that, what we need to do, go to /n MM02. Again, I will change the safety stock. Okay. So just uncheck this, select this, enter. So APP1 and enter. So sorry, you have to maintain source list also. So /n ME01. So here enter. So what you need to do, you need to generate this, enter. The source list has been generated and save. Sorry, enter. Here you have one MRP column here. Here what you have to do, you need to maintain the MRP for this source list. What you need to do, you need to give one, so record relevant to MRP. Okay, click on this and save. Now you go to /n MD04, enter. Now you just check, oh, it has to come. So once again we'll check ME01. Enter. Yeah, MRP we have maintained. APPO 901. Okay. What we'll do, we'll change again. Okay. /n MM01. See. Enter. /n MM02. Enter. So uncheck this. Just use this MRP2. APP1 and enter. Now you observe here I will give 150 and save. MD04. You just check it first. See, 30 is less, right? So again go to MD02, enter. So no need to do anything, enter. Here one PR has been generated. Again go to /n MD04 to view. See, it has been fulfilled. If you go here, see here vendor has been fetched. Okay, directly you go to this. So automatically in PR, see vendor, purchase order, everything has been fetched. Okay, here you can give your document number. Apex, I think it's not there. Okay, so material you can give the specific. See, this has to fetch automatically. Okay, got it now. So this is our PR, what we have, sorry, generated. Okay, any doubts? So how to maintain safety stock and how to create it? So this is very important. All of you got it now. how to view and how to run the request. So next we'll go. Okay. Next we'll see what is planned independent. See here we are not using any forecast based planning, that I will and I will tell you the theoretical part of that. See, planned independent requirement means, suppose, see, it is nothing but maintaining the stock on monthly basis. Okay. So maintaining the stock on monthly basis or quarterly basis or any. Okay. Suppose in January you want 100. Okay. In December you want 120. Sorry, not December. This is February. Okay, like this, if you want in March, you want 150. So based on the planning, whatever you are producing, based on that, whenever you want the specific material quantity, you can configure in the planned independent requirement. Okay, so how to do this, I will tell you. So first thing is, so all of you got it now, this one. So first step is we need to create material. Okay. So first step is we need to create material and maintain MRP1, MRP2 and MRP3, but remove safety stock. Okay, we need to remove the safety stock. So we'll use same material only. Okay, so we'll use that same. So here we have created this, right? Okay, go to PO and you can generate PO here. Already I told you. Okay, okay, okay. So go back 724. So select this. See here, click on this, and here we have adopt. Okay, click on this. So once you adopt, see here 150 quantity, everything you will get. Just check it. See, no messages and save it. See, standard PO created. Okay, now we just again go to MD04 and all. You can check it. Okay, so here you see purchase order has been created. If you click here, see, now you are not getting any this one. If you want to view, just go to view. See, you can view the PO here. So got it now? How to generate? So this is about the safety stock. Now we will create what? Independent. Again, go to, so I will use same material. Okay, enter. So here I just uncheck this. Use MRP1, MRP2, MRP3. Enter. Use APP1, APS1. Enter. Then here you need to remove the safety stock. I don't want to maintain because this is the planned independent. Enter. So once you enter here you have periodic indicator that should be M. Click on this periodic fiscal year. Here it should be on monthly basis. Next here we have strategic group. So these are all the data will be given by the PP consultant. So here strategic strategic group, it is asking strategic group should be 10 standard. So find out here. So 10 make to stock production. Okay. Enter. See 10 is the standard and enter and save. So we have configured the material, okay, with the plant independent configuration. Okay. Now, second step is you need to maintain monthly requirement. Monthly requirement. So we have a T code for this, that is MD61. Okay. MD61 is the T code to maintain monthly requirement, or it is nothing but planned independent requirement. Maintain planned independent requirement. Okay. Now we'll see how to create this. So here go to see, we have created for this, na, just refresh it. Here you will get the stock. See 150 stock. Okay. If you make a goods issue for this, okay. If you do goods issue, see I have maintained safety stock of 150, right? So I forgot to tell you. So you just practice by yourself. So I have created a PO. If I made a goods receipt or with respect to this PO, okay, again the stock will be reduced to that. So again you need to run the PO, PR, okay, using MD02. Then again you need to create PR automatically. Okay, fine. So now we have slash and MD. Sorry, not here. We have new page. Okay, slash and MD61. Okay. So here, so material you have to enter, MRP area, automatically it will take plant unit queue, that is important, press enter. So once you press enter, here you are getting, see, today is 9th month, right? 9th month, I want 100. Now it want 120. Now we create 130, 150. So based on this, 180, 200. Okay, I will maintain up to this. Okay. Now just save it. So this is only to maintain. Okay. So after this, what you have to do? You need to send. So these two steps you need to do. Okay. See this one. So first is you need to check the request. So on the specific month that has been generated or not. For that we have a T code slash and MD04. Same material enter. Check here. See, indent request. That means indent request. Okay. See here -70 for this month. It is showing the stock of 120, right? See 50 we have ordered. Okay. So okay. So now where is our, yeah, this line. Okay. So here you need to run the request first. So actually what happens? So I have created, see, observe carefully. Here I have maintained, see if you go to slash n slash OMD61, see, observe here, MD61. So I have maintained, right? So but this, see, I have maintained for 9th month, but here it is showing what? Where is the 9th month? See here. How much quantity I have maintained there? 100, right? So already it is there 150. Okay. Already safety stock is there now 150. So already we have, but here what quantity I have maintained? 100. So 100 minus 150. So 150 minus 100, 350. So already the stock is there. That's why it is not showing anything. So already we have ordered. So now, if you want to get for this, see here, if you want to get this, so what you need to do? You need to see, we have not made a goods issue for this. That's why it is showing like this. So next, what happens in this month when it comes to 10th for this date, specific date? Okay, it will trigger. See, it will trigger the what? It will trigger PR automatically. How? Same. For that, you need to use MD02 T code. Enter, enter, enter. See here. See, planned order created 5. See here, you just observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? See, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So, but here it is showing planned order 5. Where is one more? See here, one already created, material plant already one. Why? Why it is showing? Already we are in the 9th month, right? So it is showing planned order 5. That means for this, see this month, this we have planned. But what about this? See that I have told you. If you go to MD02, already we have safety stock of 150. 50 excess ಇದೆ. Okay. See. ಈ ಮಂತ್ಗೆ 100 ಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು 50 ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ 50. 50 is excess na. In this month, 9th month, I need to maintain as per the plant independent order, plant independent requirement, I need to maintain 100. But I have already 150. That's why it is showing 50 plus. Got it? Any doubts? Any doubts in this? Next.
No, sir.
Okay, so next we have forecast based planning. Okay, so what does it mean, forecast based planning? So anybody, can you tell? In the name itself, it is showing forecast based planning. It is nothing but planning the stock based on the previous procurement. Based on the previous procurement. Suppose if you have maintained, if you have produced a specific material in this month, in the last month, the same material of same quantity if you are producing, okay, so based on the previous procurement you can give. Usually this type of planning no one company will use. Getting my point? So no one company will use this type of MRP. Okay, so that's all about the material requirement planning. Okay,